Excited to welcome you to Unit 2 of Romans and Galatians. I really appreciate the enthusiasm that so many of you showed toward the first week of the class, and it feels good to be up and running. Allow me to walk with you through the assignments that we have on tap this week. There are two writing assignments that you'll be turning in. The first is the primary stage of your research project, which means simply choosing the passage that you would like to study, either in Galatians or Romans, and then doing a preliminary analysis of that passage, syntax, context, vocabulary. You'll see the guidelines in the research paper guidelines document. The second assignment is a reflection paper, and there'll be several of these throughout the class. How do you get a good grade on the reflection paper? Well, two things. Number one, make sure you fulfill the length requirement. That is, it needs to be at least 4 pages, double-spaced, Times New Roman font, in size 12. If fonts are changed or goofy, I simply change everything to Times New Roman font 12. I adjust the margins to be stock so that I can make sure you are fulfilling the length requirement. The second thing you need to do to get a good grade on the reflection paper, and I read all of them very carefully, is to make sure you're engaging with the course readings. That is, if I read a reflection paper and it reads like your devotional or your thoughts on Galatians, that's not going to get a strong grade. I'm looking for interaction with the materials that you saw in Unit 1, but especially the fee text. So quotations, interaction with fee, please be sure to do that. Also, please do not quote blocks of the biblical text of Galatians. Just give me chapter and verse, and I can look those up on my own. A quick reminder that initial posts are due on Friday night each week by midnight. I got that wrong in my video last week. Sorry about that. I also teach graduate courses online, and the schedules are a little bit different. But at Lee, our initial post is due Friday at midnight, which gives us the weekend to then engage with one another. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to email me, call me. I'm here to serve you. God bless.